Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever wondered how to keep your Telegram chat list neat and your archived chats tucked out of sight, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to hide your archived chats in Telegram on your desktop, making your messaging space look cleaner and helping you focus the conversations that matter most. Let's dive right in. First, we need to find where your archived chats live. Now, when you open Telegram desktop, you're greeted by your main chat list, but sometimes the archived chats folder doesn't pop out at first glance. It's usually sitting right at the top, but if you don't spot it, here's a simple trick. Click and pull down your chat list just like you would scroll through messages. Think of it like opening a drawer that's almost closed. A gentle tug brings the archived chats folder fully into view. Don't worry if it takes a second. Telegram likes to keep things streamlined, but sometimes these folders play hide and seek. Now that you've located those archived chats, let's talk about how to manage them so they're not in your way. Take your mouse and right-click directly on the archived chats folder itself, not the individual chats inside, just the folder. This little action opens up a handful of options, giving you extra control over how things look and behave. Among those options, you'll see one called Collapse. Select this to neatly tuck the folder away, so it's still accessible but not all up in your chat list. Collapsing the folder is super handy if you want to declutter the main screen without deleting anything. You're basically folding away a stack of old papers so your desk stays tidy. Sometimes, depending on your Telegram version or settings, you might see a choice like Move to Main Menu if the archive folder is floating outside your standard list. If you spot this, feel free to select it so the folder gets reorganized in a more discreet spot. The key idea here is making sure the folder isn't constantly visible or distracting you while you chat. Keeping your archived chats hidden works on a set-it-and-forget-it basis. Any chats you send to the archive will stay put there by default, so you don't need to worry about them popping up unless someone messages you back, unless you've changed settings to make them reappear. If you're the type to clean things up routinely, collapsing the archive folder once is enough. Think of it like putting books back on a shelf. They're there for reference, but not cluttering your workspace, and that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can manage and hide your archived chats in Telegram desktop, keeping your chat window focused and stress-free. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and if you run into any questions or little hiccups, just leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.